Good morning. I am Dr.D.Sathya, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Chemistry, SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to very good important topic for noise pollution. So the noise pollution is one of the most overlooked environmental issue. We know about the noise pollution little bit. So it's directly affects the human health and well-being. It comes from unwanted sounds such as traffic and industries and urban activities. So, unlike the air and water pollution, noise does not leave visible damage but silently harms our people every day. For example, in major cities Delhi and Mumbai, noise level will be often exceed the safe limits set by the World Health Organizations. So, the noise pollution is also the pollution of human health. So, causes of noise pollution. Construction cities generate some constant drilling and hammering and heavy machinery sounds that disturb nearby the communities. So, transportation, cars and trains, especially aircraft, so creates some continuous background noise in cities. So the loud environmental like concerts and festivals and loudspeakers is the residential areas add to the problem. For instance, the people living near airports like Chennai or Bangalore often they report higher stress due to the non-stop flight noise. So this is also the cause of the noise pollutions. So the effect of noise pollutions, on the health. So the prolonged exposure to loud noise can lead to the permanent hearing loss and damage. So it also disturbed some sleep and causing fatigue and very poor in concentration that the next day. So the stress and anxiety of risk, it will be when people exposed to continuous noise, sometimes even leading to hypertension and heart diseases. So the real example in children living near highways who often show the learning difficulties due to the constant background noise in schools. So the hearing loss and impact of children and some sleeping disturbance, stress and anxiety and cardiovascular issues. These are the effects of noise pollution on health. So the urban planning can reduce some noise by creating some green belt and buffer zones so around the residential areas. The industrial should install the soundproofing systems and follow the noise control regulations in strictly. So the traffic noise can be reduced by promoting some public transport and electrical vehicles and flyovers in crowd zones. For example, in Singapore has successfully managed noise pollution by strict vehicle noise laws and sound barriers along the highways. So this is the preventive measures in noise pollution. So the importance of addressing noise pollutions. Reducing noise pollutions improves both physical and mental health in society. So it's a lower noise level lead to the better sleep quality, some reduced stress and improved the concentration, and quick environmental makes cities it's more livable and supports community well-being. For example, studies show that the people living in suburban areas report the higher life satisfaction compared to those in noise cities in centers. So this is the importance for addressing the noise pollution. So future directions in different ways in technological innovations and policy development and community involvement and research monitoring and global cooperations. Future solutions involve the stronger government politics. Policies, it's a better technology and active community participation. So the innovations such as noise cancelling windows and quieter machines and smart traffic management can make cities very healthier. And government worldwide are enforcing the strict regulations like Germany's quite harsh policy to limit late night noise. So involving the local communities is awareness campaigns to ensure that everyone contribution to reduce the noise pollutions. So thank you. We are going to discuss about the noise pollutions, and we are discussing about the noise pollutions, very important pollutions. So we have to reduce our unwanted some noise to save our human health and environment. So thank you, one and all.